Hey guys, welcome to the 8th video in this tutorial series on version control. So in the past few videos we've been talking about how we can stage files and unstage various files, and we saw about how to set up the git ignore file. So I feel we're ready to make our first commit. So the command to make a commit is git commit. Now git commit basically transfers all the change logs or the changed files to the logs inside the git repository or the git directory. So let's enter, let git perform its operations, and now it's asking us for a commit message. A commit message is basically something you will refer to at a later point of date to understand what are the changes you have made. Since this is the first commit, I'm just going to leave my message first commit made. And if you're familiar with the many different text editors in the Linux operating system, this is the nano editor that comes in the Linux operating system. So I have to press Ctrl X to exit, press Y to save, and then press enter. Yep, that's it. We've done our first commit. So let's just quickly run git status. Now if you see, it will say nothing to commit, working tree clean. This means that there is no changes in the working directory, as well as there are no changes left in the staging area, which is not present in the git repository. This means all the three versions of the logs are the same. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.